ABB Smart Communication Card connects ABB and third-party products to communicate data via network interfaces. First, please ensure that the Ethernet address of your computer is set to the correct range. To do this, simply search for network connection using the Windows search bar. Then select the network adapter you want to use for configuring the Smart Gateway network. Select IPv4. Change address. After performing the cabling as described in Chapter 2, please ping your SCC, using the CMD command. To do this, simply type CMD using the Windows search bar. A command screen will appear. Enter the ping command, followed by the default IP address of the SCC. If communication is successful, data will be exchanged from the SCC. The configuration process with connected devices is super easy. Smart Communication Card. A piece of cloud for everyone.